Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Sa umagang ito po ay pag-aaralan po natin ang salita ng ating Panginoon. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Joshua, chapter 1 verse 5. Ito po ang pagkasabi, mga kapatid, As I was with Moses, so I will be with you. Ito po ang promise ng ating Panginoon kay Joshua nang siya po ay namuno sa bayan ng Israel. Ito po ang quotation na gusto ko pong iwan sa inyo. Hire someone who wants to learn. Maaring tayo po ay nasa isang negosyo o nasa isang venture. We will always looking for people who are willing to learn. Kasi kahit gaano pa katalino ng isang tao, pag ito ay hindi handang matuto, hindi po talaga lalago ang ating gawain. So our topic for this morning is the apprentice. But he was open in the shadow of someone else, Moses. Joshua is always in the shadow of Moses. Mayroon siyang gustong gawin pero nasa anino siya ni Moses. He wants to explore things but he was under the jurisdiction of Moses. But that was the time for him also to learn from the leader. God takes His own time to prepare us for His service. May mga panahon ang Diyos para ihanda tayo sa isang gawain. Because God have His own timing. Minsan iniisip natin yung timing ay sa atin, no? But no, God have His own timing. Another point po na gusto kong sabihin, by spending time with Moses, Joshua learned things that couldn't be learned from book. May mga bagay, mga kapatid, na hindi lang natin matutunan sa libro, no? May mga bagay na hindi lang hanggang sa libro, bagkus matutunan natin mula sa pagtingin sa mga leader. Now, what I want to imply is so simple. The apprentice, the thought of the apprentice is this. It takes a good follower to lead a great team. Kung gusto natin na maging mabuting leader, we have to become a follower. Because a person who is not willing to follow is not prepared to lead. Kung gusto nating maging leader, then matuto tayong sumunod. That's the true attitude of an apprentice. And I hope we have to live a life willing to become a good apprentice, willing to learn, willing to submit to the authority. Dahil kung hindi tayo matutong sumunod, hindi tayo matutong mamuno. God bless po at magandang umaga.
Moment he laid down his life, the power